HairSpells, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that ain't.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, hold up, wait. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Hit that little bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever I upload. So, if I'm a little dull, it's because I'm just getting off, but I wanted to come back to you guys with this hair review. As you can tell by the title, this is HairSpells 24 Deep Wave Unit, and this is their lace front wig, and they constructed this wig themselves. It's 24 inches. It's a lace front. You got 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. It does come pre-plucked, but as you can see, I went ahead and plucked more to my liking and bleached my knots. This is the hair fully damped with my curly hair routine that will be uploaded as well. So far so good. The cons, a little bit of shedding, but I think that's only because I did go in and pluck more of the frontal. Pros, you know, the hair is manageable. It's beautiful wet or wavy or dry. No shedding, no tangling, and it's pre-plucked and it's affordable. This wig was under $200, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and link HairSpells down below. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to stay tuned for the updated review, which will probably be in 1 to 3 months. I've been wearing this hair every day for 2 weeks, and you know, there's no matting at the nape like you usually get with curly hair. There's none of that. So yeah, stay tuned. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.